You need an invitation to get away from it all and come join me in the beautiful, beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina. Well, you've got one. Here it is. I'm inviting you to come away for the Power of Love in-person retreat, Memorial Day weekend, May 23rd to the 26th, Friday to Monday. We are going to do a deep dive into our loving hearts and do some spring clearing, and we are going to have some fun, eat some beautiful, delicious vegetarian food at one of the most beautiful retreat centers I have ever been to. I keep saying beautiful because that is the essence of what this retreat center is. It is a powerful, healing, energetic on the top of the mountain there. And looking out over those Blue Ridge Mountains is, oh, it's healing to the soul. It really is. And just being together is so wonderful. It's so beneficial. I'm so grateful that we will get to be together and play together, have fun together, do some deep healing together. So, the Power of Love in-person retreat, Memorial Day weekend, you are invited. I hope you'll come and join me. Some people just have a hard time experiencing happiness or maintaining some happiness. And everybody would like to be happy in this world unless they're a masochist. And we're not masochists. So we'd like to be happy, and we're not interested in crucifixion anymore. And so we're interested in being happy. I am doing a workshop this month, May, on the 17th, Saturday the 17th. And it's one of my deep dive series. I'm doing a deep dive workshop every month, and you can sign up for the series. If you sign up for the series, you basically get 3 workshops for free per year with the savings. Plus, you get other bonuses too. So, the deep dive in May is why can't I be happy? So, we're going to do some clearing so that we can experience more joy and more happiness in our life, in our relationships, in our heart. I hope you'll come and join me. I love doing these workshops. They are so good. If I do say so myself, I give all the credit to our creator. Thank you. Thank you so much for considering donating to the Power of Love Ministry. We have so many free offerings, the free forgiveness workshops, the daily blog, the daily prayer, the podcast, all these free offerings, and your donations make them possible. They help pay for everything. And I really appreciate every contribution that you make. And people's tithe to me as well. Personally, I appreciate that very much. And it's a love fest. We're giving and receiving love. That's what we're doing. And I'm so happy to share with you. Thank you for sharing with me.